You might be wondering why I stopped posting my 99 days of challenge of, showing up. Why did I stop it? So here's the thing. I chose to stop posting for 99 days. The keyword is I choose to. So yeah. Hi, my name is Sanskriti and I love talking. In today's video, I will be talking about why I stopped posting videos. And I think, you know, I came online and I told everyone that, hey, for 99 days, I'll be coming on my channel every day. But then I stopped in between. We cannot even say that I was in between, but yeah, whatever. But then I stopped. Why? Because I realized that, see, in every video, I say this thing, I love talking, and I actually do. I love talking. But, doing this challenge, I realized that I'm burdening myself with making videos and I'm pressurizing myself to talk. And I love talking. And if you pressurize yourself to do the things that you love, you will no longer love them. So I don't want to hate talking. इसीलिए one of the biggest reason is इसीलिए I don't want to post. And also, if you ask me, I was not satisfied with the content I was posting in those 99 days of challenge, whatever. Like, I was not scripting them well, and they were not shot well, and my ideas were all over the place. They were not articulated well, if you ask me. And that is one of the reason why I stopped it. And also, one of my friend, yeah, friends are for this. So that day when the next video had to come out and I just stopped, the day I stopped posting, that day I was like, I had 4 videos and I was going to post them also. But then suddenly it hit my mind, what am I doing? This is not me enjoying talking. This is me pressurizing myself to talk in front of the camera, which was never the, you know, outcome that I wanted from this channel, which was never the thing that I wanted to achieve from this channel. So I, spoke to my friend, and my friend was like, why did you start this channel? And I was like, I just wanted to talk. You also wanted to have fun while you were talking. You were having fun while you were talking. How did it get this hectic? When did we get to a place where you're like, oh my god, I have to post, oh my god, I have to post? No, this was not supposed to be this. So I was like, yeah, I was supposed to have fun and I was supposed to feel happy about me posting and not pressurized by it. But yeah, I did it myself. No one did it. Bhai, I only do it. Most of the time when I look back at the patterns that are in my life, I think मेरा हाथ है पूरा. कोई नहीं आता भाई उसको कुछ करने के लिए. मैं ही कर देती उसे खराब या उसे प्रेशराइजिंग मैं ही बनाती. No one else. So with this channel also I started doing the same thing, and that day I realized that, oh my god, I'm doing it again with this, with the thing I love. Oh my god, I couldn't. I couldn't. So I was like, let's just take a break and, think upon the things that I've spoken in the videos and how I want my videos to be. And most importantly, I love talking and I don't want to hate it. I just don't want to. This is something that I love about me. Like, when I am talking, I don't talk to everyone, of course. मतलब भाई ऐसी नहीं हूँ कि मैं बड़ी ही social butterfly हूँ. No, but I have perspective on things and I like sharing them. And this 99 days of showing up challenge was burdening me to share it. Matlab, I did it. I was pressurizing myself to put it out there every day. But guess what? मेरी पेस से चलेंगे हम. I will do it at my own pace because first this channel is for me. भाई मैं जितनी बार अपने वीडियोस देखती, no one watches it. I see it. I am my like fan, okay? I watch it every time and I'm like, oh my god, wow, oh my god, wow. But then during these 99 days, I realize that they are not wow, and I can see the tension that's there to post every day. And also, I'm talking about the tension that's there for posting. I'm like, this was not supposed to be it, and this is not how it should turn out. So in that moment, I realized and took and made a choice that I will not be posting for 99 days. We are going to go at my pace. भाई मुझे जब भी पोस्ट करना है मैं तब करूँगी, मुझे जिसके बारे में पोस्ट करना है मैं तब करूँगी. अब तो भाई this is not a project that I want to work on. This is just a hobby. This is just a hobby where I am having a me time and I'm actually enjoying my me time rather than just being like, oh my god, I need to. No, you don't need to. Matlab, anyone who's in the spot feeling like they are in the spotlight, you don't have to, you don't need to. You can just remove yourself from that situation and be happy. And also, what I love cannot be spoiled by anyone. मतलब भाई मुझे बात करना पसंद है, अभी तो मैं ही अपनी खुद की दुश्मन बन के डेली पोस्ट करना है, डेली बात करना है. नहीं करना है मुझे डेली बात, मुझे नहीं करना है क्योंकि मुझे बात करना पसंद है. और जब भी मुझे पसंद है बात करना, जब भी मुझे लगता है कि मुझे बात करना है, मैं तभी बात करूँगी. Simple. So yeah, this is like a video where I'm like, I want to do it all, but I want it at my own terms. I'm not going to ruin this because I feel like I should be a certain way. This channel should be a certain way, because no, it should not. It's my channel. It's supposed to be my way. It is supposed to be the way I choose it to be. So I'm choosing it to be random. I'm choosing it to be a hobby and not a project that I'm like constantly worried about. So yeah, that's all for today. Hope you liked it. After a long time, I love talking. मतलब भाई ऐसा लग रहा है कि इतने दिनों की इतने दिनों से I was like, I enjoy talking even when I'm like doing it just like I have to put out a video. But today आज सही में feel हो रहा कि wow, what a session of the talk, of a monologue actually. Whatever. So yeah, that's all for today. Bye. See you in the next video.